family, how are you? Today we are going to make our very own inchworms and we're going to make them grow. So you need some supplies for this. In case you don't have it already, you need a pencil or a pen, but it's easier with a pencil. You might be able to use a marker, I'm not sure. I can try it with you guys. I didn't try it that way before. You need some paper towels, some markers. You guys know I keep my markers in a bag here at home. And then you need some water and your pipette. I forgot my pipette at school, so I'm improvising. I am using a straw, and I'm going to use that instead because I can still grab the water that way. Okay, but it's a lot easier if you use a pipette. So you don't need a straw. Just use just any kind of cup with water in it. Okay, just regular water. And what we're going to do is we're going to make our inchworms grow. Oh, and you need a plate or something that you don't mind getting dirty. If you're using your markers from school, grown-ups, they are non-toxic and washable, but if you don't want to risk it, totally understand. I'm not either. You can use a paper plate or something like that, okay? All right, I'm going to flip my camera around and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do to make our inchworms, okay, and how to make them grow. All right, here we go. All right, friends, we're going to get ready for our inchworms. So remember, you need your paper towel, markers to color it, a pencil, some water, and your pipette. And I do not have my pipette, so I'm using a straw. Okay, now go ahead and you're going to color, or before you color your paper towels, you want it to be a square. I didn't cut mine very well. I tore it. So you can tear it, or you can use your scissors to cut it in half. But you want it to be a square, okay? Not a rectangle anymore, but a square, okay? So go ahead, pause the video, and color your squares, okay? All right, so I have mine colored, and you can color them however you want. I did one that was all blue, and then one that was half red. It looks kind of orange on the screen, but this is half red, half purple, okay? And then what you're going to want to do, now this is the tricky part for me because I don't know if I'll be able to do this while I should be able to. Okay, yeah, I'll be able to. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your pencil and put it on the edge of one of your sides of your square. I'll let you decide which edge. I'm doing it on the one closest to me so I can show you guys best, because if I put it over here, it'll be hard for me. Okay? You're going to take your pencil, and what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to roll your paper towel with your pencil, okay? Roll it like this, okay? And you're going to want it to be nice and tight, okay? You're going to keep rolling it all the way. Keep rolling. Okay, until you reach the end. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to scrunch it together. Now this is the part I might have trouble showing you guys. So what you're going to want to do, let me see. Got a problem solve here, guys. How should I show you with one hand? Okay. Hang on, I'm going to pause my own video so I can show you guys. Hang on. Okay, so what I did, I couldn't show you guys, but what I did is I scrunched both ends so it looks like this, okay? And then you're going to want to slide it off of your pencil. Be very careful, you don't want it to unravel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eraser end and push it down to get it off of my pencil. Oh, that didn't work. Man, I got to do lots of problem solving today, guys. Okay, so you're going to want to take it off your pencil. Be very careful. Okay, you don't want it to tear or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to set mine down so I can show you. Okay, so I went ahead and rolled my other one while I was off camera and squished it down too. I did this one with the colors on the inside and this one with the colors on the outside so we could see what happens for both. Okay, so remember, wrap it around your pencil and then you're going to want to squish it together like this. Like an accordion, like this. Oop. I am not having good luck with my one hand today, guys. You're going to want to squish it down on your pencil like an accordion. I'm trying to show you without blocking. like this. You squish it together, okay? And then you're going to get your water and your pipette ready, okay? So if you need to, go ahead and pause the video to get your water and pipette. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your pipette and you're going to fill it with some water. Like I said, I'm using my straw. And then you're going to want to drop a few drops on your inchworm and see what happens. What's happening? Can you see? It's growing. Let's see if this one will grow too. It's moving and it's growing. Oh my goodness. Is yours growing too? If you didn't, or have you not tried it yet? There it goes. Did you see it move? Let's see if we can keep making it move. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, they grew. Remember, it was really tiny, and then they grew and it moved. Whoa, I can't wait to see what your inchworms look like. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera back around, but if you didn't do yours yet, go ahead and pause the video before I end. All right, friends, how cool was that? Seeing your inchworms grow. Did yours grow a little bit? Did it grow a lot? I'm so excited to see your inchworms. I thought that this was a fun experiment that we could do together since we're learning about gardening and insects and inchworms. And the story I'm reading you guys this week, if you haven't watched it already, is called Inch by Inch, and it is also about an inchworm. Good work today, friends, on your science experiments, and I will see you next time. Bye.